Welcome po muli sa ating Math Tulong page. So, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Episode 1, Addition of Fractions and Mixed Numbers, dadako na tayo sa Part 5 na kung saan we will be adding mixed numbers. So, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa page, ay pwede po ninyong i-review yung tatlong videos na na-upload na natin. Let us have example number 1. 2 and 3/5 plus 1/5. So, ang gagawin natin, since meron tayong mixed number and fraction, so, ang gagawin, we have 2 as the whole number. So, we will just copy that. Oo, kokopyahin lang natin. Then, check natin ulit ang denominators. We have same denominator, so, we will just copy the denominator. So, we have 5. Then, let us add the numerators. So, 3 plus 1 equals 4. So, that is our final answer. So, ganyan po ako magturo sa mga estudyante ko, no? Sasamahin muna natin yung whole number, then followed by the fractions. So, yan po yung technique ko, no po? Then, let us have example number 2. 2 and 3/8 plus 4 and 2/8. So, this time, parehong mixed numbers yung pinagpa-plus natin. So, we have the whole numbers, 2 and 4. So, ang gagawin natin, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then, let us check the denominators. Parehas po ulit. So, copy the denominator. Then, we have 8. Next, we add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So, yan po yung ating final answer. Next, example number 3. 7 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/4. Again, we have two mixed numbers here. So, anong gagawin natin? Yes, we have 7 and 2. Let us add them. That is equal to 9. Then, what's next? Yes, check the denominators and we have the same denominators. Then, we will just, yes, copy the denominator. So, we have 4. Then, add the numerators. So, 3 plus 1 equals 4. So, anong napansin natin? Yes, sa our previous episodes, ayan, meron tayong improper fraction. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Hindi pa yan yung final answer natin. So, isi-simplify pa po natin yan. So, paano natin gagawin yon? So, we have 9 and 4/4. So, ang turo ko dyan, so the whole number muna, we have 9. Then, plus. Ano ipa-plus natin? Yung value ng ating fraction. So, this time, we have the fraction 4/4. So, ano ang value niyan? Yes, 1. Sa ating previous episodes po, na-explain na natin yan. So, kung bago pa lang kayo sa page, pwede po nating balikan or kung nakalimutan na natin yan. So, then we have 9 plus 1 equals 10. So, that will be our final answer. So, medyo malayo-layo na po yung nararating natin, ano? Kaya naman po, please keep on watching. So, kung nakalimutan po na natin yung ibang napag-aralan, pwede po natin balikan yung mga ibang videos para mas ma-master po natin yung ating skills sa addition or of fractions. So, yun lamang po. Watch out po sa next video natin. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.